Welcome back to Trivianics. Today we have a massive 50-question grade 8 science challenge lined up for you. Track your score and let us know in the comments how many you get right. Don't forget to subscribe before we start. Are you ready? Let's go. First up, let's test your basics. Here is the easy level. Which state of matter has a definite volume but takes the shape of its container, solid, liquid, or gas? Liquid. Which part of a plant cell is responsible for photosynthesis? Chloroplasts. What basic particle is known as the fundamental building block of all chemical elements? An atom. What force pulls objects toward the center of the Earth? Gravity. Which primary organ is responsible for pumping blood through the human body? Correct. It's the heart. Which unit is used to measure electrical current, volts, amps, or ohms? Amps. What process do plants use to convert sunlight into chemical energy? Photosynthesis. Which planet in our solar system is known for its beautiful, massive rings? Saturn. What type of energy is stored inside a battery, kinetic, chemical, or thermal? Chemical energy. What gas do human beings breathe in to survive? Oxygen. What do we call a scientist who studies living organisms and ecosystems? A biologist. What instrument is used to measure the temperature of an object? A thermometer. What is the name of the change when water turns from a liquid into a gas? Evaporation. What component of the skeletal system protects the human brain? The skull. What is the primary source of light and heat energy for our solar system? The sun. What is the scientific name for the jawbone? Mandible, maxilla, or femur? Mandible. What pigment gives leaves their green color? Chlorophyll. Nice job on the basics. Now let's step it up. Moving on to the medium level. What is the chemical symbol for the element oxygen on the periodic table? It's O. Which organ system is responsible for breaking down the food we eat? Respiratory, nervous, or digestive? Digestive system. What type of rock is formed from the cooling and solidification of molten lava? Igneous rock. What structural component of an atom carries a negative electrical charge? An electron? Which part of the cell acts as the control center and contains genetic material? The nucleus. What is the approximate percentage of nitrogen found in Earth's atmosphere? %78. What form of heat transfer happens through direct contact between solids? Conduction. What path does an electric current follow to light up a bulb? A circuit. Which type of blood vessel carries oxygenated blood away from the heart Arteries. What do we call the point on Earth's surface directly above where an earthquake starts? The epicenter. What is the standard scientific unit used to measure force? Newtons. Which element makes up the diamond structure? Carbon, silicon, or nitrogen? Carbon. What layer of Earth's atmosphere contains the protective ozone layer? The stratosphere. What is the term for an organism that makes its own food using sunlight? A producer. Which system in the body is made up of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves? The nervous system. What do you call a mixture where one substance dissolves completely into another? A solution. What type of simple machine is a wheelbarrow? Second-class lever. What is the term for water that flows over the land surface instead of soaking into the ground? Runoff. Wow, you made it this far, but it won't be easy from here. Get ready for the hard level. What is the scientific term for the breakdown of rocks by wind, water, and ice? Weathering. What type of cell division results in 4 daughter cells with half the original chromosomes? Meiosis. What form of energy is possessed by an object due to its motion? Kinetic energy. What is the chemical formula for common table salt? NaCl. Which layer of the Earth is located directly beneath the crust? The mantle. What is the name of the process where a gas turns directly into a solid without becoming a liquid? Deposition. What pigment gives human skin and hair its color? The correct answer is melanin. Which property of a wave is measured from the crest of one wave to the crest of the next? Wavelength. What is the pH value of a completely neutral substance like pure water? Seven. Which specialized plant tissue transports water and nutrients upward from the roots? Xylem. What is the term for the maximum population size an ecosystem can support? Carrying capacity. What type of lens curves inward and causes light rays to spread apart? Concave lens. Which chemical element has the atomic number 1? Hydrogen. What is the scientific term for a relationship where both organisms benefit? Mutualism. What law states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed? The law of conservation of energy. And that wraps up our 50 grade 8 science questions. How did you do? Share your score in the comments below. Smash that like button and subscribe to Trivianics for more daily brain training. See you next time.